Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. You're chatting with a cute younger girl. Everything's going smooth. Vibes are good. And suddenly, she hits you with a random question like, "Do you live alone?" Or, "What are you doing this weekend?" Your brain goes, "Is this small talk? Or is she trying to come over and jump me?" Brother, I've been there. We've all been there. That's why today I'm spilling the tea on the 6 questions a younger woman will almost always ask when she secretly, or not so secretly, wants to sleep with you. Stay until number 6 because that one of them is so sneaky. 95% of guys completely miss it and friend zone themselves by accident. Hit that like button if you've ever been confused by female signals. Subscribe so you never miss this kind of gold. And let's dive in. Question number 1. Do you live alone? Boom, classic. When she drops this one early, she's not doing a census. She's doing logistics. She wants to know if your roommate Steve is gonna walk in with pizza while she's trying to sit on your lap. Real life example. My buddy Alex once answered, "Nah, I live with my mum." Conversation died in 3 seconds. How to answer instead. Keep it chill and flirty. "Yeah, just me and Netflix." Why? Planning a surprise visit already. Wink emoji if it's text. She'll laugh. Feel safe. And now the idea of coming over is in her head, not yours. Perfect. Question number 2. How many girls have you been with? Sounds like an interview right wrong. She's checking 2 things. 1. Are you experienced enough that she won't have to teach you where everything is? And 2. Are you gonna catch feelings after one night one and blow up her phone? Worst answer, lying with some crazy number. She can smell BS from a mile away. Best answer, smile and go, "Enough to know what I'm doing." But not so many that I stopped counting on one hand, mysterious, confident and funny. She'll bite her lip, guaranteed. Question number 3. What kind of movies do you like? Bro, this is Netflix and chill reconnaissance 100%. If she follows up with, "I love scary movies. They make me want to cuddle," congratulations. You've been invited to Pound Town with extra butter on the popcorn. Even if you only watch UFC highlights, say, "I'm a sucker for a good romantic comedy," or anything that gives me an excuse to put my arm around someone. She'll melt and probably say, "We should watch one sometime." That sometime is tonight if you play it right. Question number 4. Can you help me with something at my place? Moving a couch, fixing a shelf, my Wi-Fi is acting up. Doesn't matter. 99% chance the only heavy thing she wants lifted is her onto the kitchen counter. One time, a girl asked me to help hang curtains. 20 minutes in, she's wearing nothing but my t-shirt making margaritas. The curtains are still in the bag to this day. Answer with, "Only if you promise good music and cold drinks after." Deal. You look helpful and flirty. She wins, you win. Everybody wins. Question number 5. What are you doing this weekend or got plans later? Are you free so I can make plans with you? Preferably horizontal ones. Don't just say nothing that sounds lame. Hit her with "not much yet, but I'm always down for good company and better wine." What you thinking? Now the ball is in her court and she feels safe to suggest coming over or grabbing drinks at yours. Question number 6. The sneakiest one. Do you like hugging or are you a cuddler? We laugh, but this is the final exam. She's asking if you're gonna kick her out at 3 a.m. or if you're cool with morning sex and pancakes. If you say, "Nah, I'm not really affectionate," you just failed. She'll ghost faster than you can say spooning. Correct answer, look her in the eyes, half smile and go, "Love it." Especially the kind where clothes accidentally disappear. Watch her pupils turn into hearts. Game over. There you go. 6 questions that basically mean, take me home or lose me forever. Now you'll never miss the signals again. Drop a comment with the craziest question a girl ever used on you. I read every single one, and the funniest ones get pinned. If this video saved you from the friend zone, even once, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, because next week we're talking about the texts she sends when she's already in bed thinking about you. Until then, stay dangerous, stay handsome, and I'll catch you in the next one.